Ayaw.
She was caring for 3 children, and we discovered how she came to the United States and realized that she was a human trafficking survivor.
Gusto niya talagang makita o makuha ang kanyang magpaparing anak. Hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin yung pangarap niya.
In California, advocates, workers, and politicians are trying to pass into law a bill that protects the rights of domestic workers.
We will not stop so we can step up visibly to help shape the future of this county.
Immigrants are LA! Immigrants are LA! Immigrants are LA!
Gawin mo, magluto ka, maglinis ka, mag-pakain ng aso. Oh my goodness. Kasi parang sa ganun makapag-aral mga bata. Ayan ang point ko.
Anong pangalan ko? Pangalan ko kami.
Mukha nga lang ang alam ko. Nakakalimutan ko.
Ay, mukha ko sa'yo. Ma, ako. Nakalimutan mo po. Mami!